Ryan, tell us a super tip on getting started in real estate investing.
The game of real estate has changed so drastically from the time I started till now. And one of the biggest improvements and enhancements that gets you 10 steps ahead is software. And there's amazing software that's out there that can help you understand where the properties are, where to go after, what not to go after, rents, prices, all kinds of stuff. The availability of information and those getting into software programs that can help real estate investors, there's just so much more information out there. Right now, we find there's a lot of raw data where you can get the data, but then you've got to put it into Excel and figure that out. We've made a lot of improvements, but I really think utilizing software and technology has got to be the absolute super tip. If I would have had some of the software that we've developed and is out there now 10 years ago or 15 or 20 years ago, it would have been a game changer. Literally, I think talking 2 or 3 or 4 times net worth based upon having these types of things. So it's an amazing age that we're in right now to have this type of information.